Hello, dear friends, and welcome to today's live. Today is a special live, and I hope that the connection is going to hold as well, because I am at the moment at the British Museum. You can see I absolutely love it. When I moved to London, I used to live on Russell Square, and this is where basically I used to go every month. Absolutely stunning building, and a fantastic collections of art, of artifacts, etc. from all over the world. So let me know if you can hear me okay, if you can see me. Wonderful. Yes, thank you for your comments. So great. Yeah, so today is a very special Instagram live together with one of our amazing neurographic instructors, Asmita. Asmita, I hope that you are joining. Yes, you joined. Fantastic. Hi.
Hello.
Hello. Nice to see you. Nice to see Asmita is our neurographic instructor. She's also supervisor at Psychology of Creativity Institute. She's a very talented artist, and she does groups. She uses neurographic for working with all sorts of people, especially women. And it's my pleasure to introduce you all to Asmita. You graduated last year, is that right?
Yes, Anna. Thank you so much for the wonderful introduction. I feel like it is working with you under your guidance during my instructor journey really helped me to become a better instructor, because you
Oh,
yourself
thank you.
are a beautiful artist and a very kind-hearted person to always inspire and guide everyone under your leadership, your tuitions, much better.
Oh, thank you so much, Asmita. Thank you. Yeah, so just please tell us a couple of words. I mean, how did you come to Neurographica?
Okay, so Neurographica, like for me, it came in my life as a divine blessing. It just came into my life in Jan 2022. I was looking for some inspiration to share with the group. I happened to form an art group, adults art group of mostly women with whom during COVID time. So I started taking some free sessions so that everyone feel uplifted, connected with art. And then my journey turned, I started creating art with intention, mostly as a feeling of devotion and worship. With many Indian festivals round the year, I would theme the art sessions along those. And like in Jan, I was looking for New Year inspiration. So at that time, I came across Neurographica, and I took this drawing out for everyone's reference. Like, this actually is not even a Neurographica drawing, now I know.
Yeah.
But this drawing, like, I taught everyone. Whatever I knew, I just taught. So whatever I understood looking from some YouTube videos and all, I just taught. I had to memorize our founder's name so that I'm spelling it out correctly and all those things. But then that night, I had very deep insights that this is the missing link. Neurographica, I think, is the missing link with which I was trying to connect with everyone as a synthesis of art and spirituality. So then that vision became so clear because I wanted to share art with all age groups, irrespective of gender, irrespective of the work they are into it, and from for with everyone, and it should not have any restrictions of skill level as well. So then I got so inspired. Then I searched the internet, like, how can I learn more? How can I start teaching and all that? At that time, our website wasn't developed fully. Somehow I got in contact with Anton, and he said that the course will start in May. So there were 5 months, and I didn't know anyone, any of our instructors and all. So I kept searching, like, what do I do so that I be in that mode of learning? Because sometimes if we let go, then that vision, that inspiration takes a back seat in our daily life. But I wanted to keep it alive. So then I came across an instructor. I enrolled myself. It was a recorded course, and I started doing, and it confused me a lot. So I was feeling like, where am I? So I felt glad the instructor course is not starting so soon. But then I attended your session on 14th Feb. That also, your coming into my life, it was like another, like an angelic blessing.
Oh,
I just
thank you.
opened, and you came, and I haven't heard your name also before. And then when I messaged you, you said, yes, you can attend the session. I attended, and I felt so good after it. Then I felt like, yes, this is what I want to share with everyone. And then I completed my basic user course. Then I waited for, and then I attended few sessions in between yours. And then I waited for May, and then the journey began. So it was
Oh,
nice. It wasn't a smooth journey because I faced lot of resistance, some external factors, internal factors, and I felt, because I was working with lot of things at the subconscious level, so many things came up during the course, and it did affected my health and so many other things. But with kind guidance, cooperation during the course and all, I was able to complete, and I'm so glad to be reborn as a Neurographica instructor.
oh, thank you so much, Asmit. You've got such a beautiful story. Absolutely. And thank you for all your kind words. It's really lovely. And it's really lovely to have you on the supervisors team because you're so experienced, your drawings are beautiful, and you're also, you're such a wonderful mentor for all other students. For anybody who's watching and who wants to join the instructor course, please do. The next course starts on 9th of May, and Asmita is going to be there in the supervisor capacity. So, Asmita, my question. So, how did you think you're going to use Neurographica before you started the course, and how do you use it now?
Okay, so Neurographica, before I started the course, I wasn't aware about it anyone. I have been into teaching visual art forms since 14 years now, mostly children in the age group of 6 to 12. So after being an instructor, I learned so many things because we are connecting with our subconscious mind pattern. I realized that the way I give my tuitions to the young children, even in visual art form, the words I speak and the way I make them indirectly feel connected to their feelings with normal drawings make a lot of difference. So that is one thing I started implementing after being an instructor, because I understood our thoughts, feelings, everything matter at emotional level and all that. So I started to indirectly, very subtly, I started making that connection. And I also, I was a social media very shy person. I had to bring up, faced a lot of resistance in me to come up, and I'm still working on it, but I'm now much more confident to express myself that yes, this is me, this is what I'm doing. And now after some time, I started this year, it started with a good note. I conducted my first basic user course. I had 3 participants, and the weekly insightful sessions I started. So they are very good. They're going on. Today morning we did these daisies sessions, so it was nice
Oh,
with lot
beautiful.
of inspiration. So I'm glad, like, because now I'm feeling so connected with art at a much deeper level, that every line matters, every thought matters. That has become like a mantra for me. If I'm thinking something which is not in alignment, I'm able to catch myself and I stop myself. I don't go into that down hole, rabbit hole types. I'm able to stop then and there. So it has brought a very beautiful change.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. It is, and I think also it's the Neurographica streamlines your thinking
Yes,
because we have the basic algorithm and we have different steps,
yes,
and each step means different things. So it kind of, for me, it makes me more disciplined in the way I think, kind of in a more productive, in a more productive way, basically.
Yeah,
So which courses do you do now? Sorry.
which courses in the sense, Anna?
So you're saying you're teaching now the basic user course,
Yeah,
and you also do groups.
yeah. So weekly insightful sessions, and once I feel like, because I just started, like I wasn't, I went through all the entire instructor course. I'm glad because I just joined the course, instructor course. Then I learned the teachings imbibed more in me when I was doing the supervisions, because I would watch the recordings again, make notes. I remade all the notes and I was able to give better supervisions. Now I feel I'm ready to teach better because I want to deliver Neurographica in its most pure form. So while teaching basic user course, then many things got clarified. I rewatched all your videos 3 to 4 times, made more notes, and then I taught. So now I'm so confident about basic user course. So I'll study again everything, and then I will teach the other modules as well, the composition and color modules, so many beautiful things. And of course, our institute is the best place to study because we have our founder teaching us. So yes, it is nice.
Yes, thank you. And you're joining the supervisors team,
Yeah,
as far as I know, this year. Oh,
yeah.
fantastic. Yeah, so our new course starts on 9th of May, and yes, please join our team. So I take it that you're happy that you embarked on this Neurographica
Very,
journey,
very.
and
I tell
I
everyone that do join if you can. It is life changing.
oh, thank you so much. Thank you. And plus, soon we'll have 10 years of Neurographica. So you're very welcome also to let your students know, to your participants, that we're doing a little competition. But anybody just to showcase their drawings. They can draw. They can do the drawing that's on YouTube and submit it, and they might even
Yeah.
get a prize by. Yeah. So thank you so much. Um, any other uh, any other sort of life hacks do you want to give to people who are listening, or um, do you want to share anything else?
For me, the life hack would be, if you want to know what you are thinking, then, and if you want to control your thinking, at least do the basic user course. That would be like my suggestion for everyone who is watching. It is good to do neuro art and everything, but just to get that feel of being connected with our own self and to understand our thinking process. And of course, we have two beautiful algorithms in it to remove our limitations and revealing intentions. That is what we need. So if not the full instructor journey, but the basic user course, I feel it is a very mandatory thing for everyone now.
Yes, no, I totally agree. Every time I see, and they're beautiful, kind of
Yeah,
neurodoodling, neuro art, it's lovely. But I always say, just do one user course. If you want to do something for yourself, invest in yourself, just do the
basic.
basic user course. Because, it will, it just brings so many insights. As I say, it's kind of streamlines your thinking. It brings so much creativity in your life. And those drawings, they won't be just meditative, and they will also be insightful, and as you said, that you connect with your subconscious mind, and it's a beautiful thing. There's so many treasures you can find inside our minds.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Asmita. Thank you so much for joining me. It's an
Thank you
absolute pleasure.
so much.
Thank you. Thank you. I will see you soon. We have
Thank
a graduation party. This is the first time I'm saying this on Sunday, but yes, I will announce that for our instructors course for this year, and the new course starts on 9th of May. So thank you very much once again.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful day, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye.